Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today, I'm excited to show you guys what I got in my Tarte custom mystery box. Well, I guess you can't really say it's a mystery box if you custom make the box, but it's kind of that whole theme of kind of like a mystery box. You pay $63 and you get 7 items for only $63. I think that's an amazing deal. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before I get into my unboxing, I just want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. Hi, welcome, my name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel, mostly makeup subscription boxes. If that's something that you guys love and enjoy watching, then I would say consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and becoming a part of my YouTube family. I also do makeup hauls, mystery boxes such as today, and it's the season for advent calendars, so you're going to see a lot of that on my channel this month as well. If you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell, and if you guys want to show your love and support to my channel, all you got to do is give some thumbs up. We love the thumbs up on my channel. It really shows your love and support, and that's really about it. I found out Tarte was having another custom box. They do this very often. I want to say like maybe like every couple of months. Like I just did one not too long ago. And then they had another one which I opted out of. I did have a bad experience with my first one. I did the whole unboxing. I'll put the video that I did for my first one in the description bar down below. I didn't realize I was missing my lipstick until I want to say like after I put all my stuff away after I did the video, but they didn't give me a lipstick. They ended up, I reached out to them and told them they missed giving me a lipstick, and they actually, sent me a replacement, but they didn't have the color that I wanted. And literally, I, reached out to them like literally like that same day I got that box after I did my unboxing. I reached out to them. They got back to me like a couple of days later and they said they didn't have that lipstick color anymore, and I really wanted that lipstick. So, they gave me like another color, which was okay. Let me see if I could find it and show you guys. So I actually found the lipstick that, they had gave me. This was what it looks like. And it was the color is called Cha-Cha. And that's what it looks like. It's kind of like a corally color. So I'm not mad at it, but it wasn't what I wanted. I wanted like a fuchsia color, which I'll show you when I unbox it because they had it in this box. So hopefully they gave me my lipstick this time around and they didn't play me. So let's get into the box. Alrighty guys, so this is what the box looks like. Ah. Ooh. Ah. So when you open her up, this is what it looks like. So we got the Tarte and everything is like taped and in. So that it comes in a little thing like this. So let me pull up the information and just let you guys know. So it's 7 items. I think 7 items for $63 is a great deal. Like I said, when they do these deals, they do them like every couple of months, and I want to say maybe like 3 or 4 times a month, because like I said, I did mine and they just had another one. I skipped that one because I was mad that they gave me this lipstick and not the lipstick that I wanted. So I'm like, I'm not gonna order from them anymore. But then I'm like, you know what, it's such a good deal that I'm gonna get it again. Speaking of that, I got this from my last custom kit, which if you guys watch the video down below, you'll see everything I got in that other one. But I normally only use MAC Bare Pro foundation. For all my veterans in my channel, you guys know whenever I do Ulta hauls, I always replenish my foundation from them. Um, and I never thought I would like another brand's foundation. Besides, I used to like the MAC Studio Fix Liquid Foundation when I used to work for MAC. That used to be like my holy grail. But I found the foundation, and I picked this color online without even trying the color out. So I really got lucky, and I picked the right color. So and the thing is, this is empty now. So this was one of the things in a custom kit. So and then they had the colored lipstick that I wanted. So that was two things that I felt like I wanted already. So because I was gonna replenish that foundation anyway the next time I was in Ulta. So I figured why not just, you know, get the kit, because just those two things alone would have almost got close to the price of this whole kit. Alrighty, so we're gonna open it up and see. So let me give you a sneak peek. It's not in a box. I don't know if I can do a sneak peek because it's not really in a box. So hold on, let me see if I can do this. I don't know if you guys can see. There you guys go. That's as good as it's gonna get. Alright, so let's see what I got here. Alright, so this is the color that I wanted. I finally got it this time. This is called Ocean Drive lipstick. It comes in a beautiful box like so. Yeah, I'm so excited. So as you guys can see, they gave me this one last time, but this is the color that I wanted. Wow, this is an Aisha color. Look at that pink. Ooh, so excited. And this is the color that they gave me last time, which I wasn't that thrilled about, but it's still a pretty color. But they're day and night. They actually suggested this color to me. They're like, well, this color is the closest color to the lipstick that you wanted. And I'm like, in the back of my head, I'm like, no, it's not. They're nowhere near close at all. But okay, nevertheless, I took that one anyway. So yes, super excited for my first thing, for my one item so far out of the 7 items. So let's see what else I picked. So like I also said, I replenished my foundation. The color that I use in this is Deep Sand 53S. So I finished that bottle, and I rarely finish a foundation beside my, you know, my Bare Pro. But as you can see, this is what it looks like full, and that's what it looks like empty. So I love the foundation so much I finished it up. This foundation is great, by the way. It's like a matte finish, full coverage. Loves it. That was my second item. The next thing I got was a concealer. Now, hopefully I picked the right color for this, because I took a whim by chancing and picking this concealer, but let's see. So let me kind of explain it a little bit. It's a custom kit, but you pick in categories. So like they let you pick like your foundation. That's category number 1. Then they let you pick a concealer, category number 2. They make you pick like a makeup bag, category number 3, like a brush, category number 4. I don't want to give the spoilers away of what I got, but like that's kind of like how you make it. It's not like the whole website of Tarte. You get to pick whatever you want. It's custom too. That's why it's like kind of like a custom kit, because like you get to pick your foundation, your concealer, and so forth like that. Alright, so the concealer that I decided to try, which I never tried before, is the Tarte C Hydro Concealer. The color I got is Tan Sand. Alrighty, so let's see here. Alrighty, so this is what the concealer looks like. And let me see if this matches me. I'm going to put a little on the back of my hand. Oh, this looks light. This is like definitely like, it looks very light on camera, but this is honestly like how most of my concealers look that I buy, because I like it really bright under the eye. I don't do it too bright on camera just because I don't want to make it look like I have raccoon eyes, but like when I take pictures and stuff like that, it looks beautiful. So I'm very happy with the color I picked. And let me see the coverage. It looks like a decent coverage. It looks like it's like medium to full. Does it say on the box? Let's see. No, it doesn't really say on the box. what coverage it is. But to me, by me, it feels like a medium coverage. Alrighty, so let's see what else I got. So I'm out of like my I use an Anastasia pot for my brows. I'm out of that. So I said I was gonna buy that anyway, but they had this is one of the options for your brows. So I got the Tarte Big Ego Frame Worker Brow Pomade in dark brown. So this is what the color looks like. Comes in a beautiful pot like this. I love the pot packaging. This is the color, so I'm going to try this tomorrow because I never tried their pomade. I didn't think they had a color for me, but this color actually looks like a color that I would wear. So I'm going to use that tomorrow for my brows and try it out. Very excited for that. So far I'm loving like everything in the kit. Everything in the kit I needed to replenish. Like I needed my concealer, I needed my brow pomade because I just ran out of mine. So overall I'm very happy with this pomade because now I get to replenish. The next thing I got was the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. I have actually received this mascara in gratis before from Tarte when I did like they do like trainings, it's like seasonal trainings, and I had a seasonal training on Tarte and they gave this to me. And I actually really like this mascara. I won't open it up because I have a lot of mascaras already open that I'm currently using, since you guys know I have a lot of makeup subscription boxes. However, I do love this mascara. So it does everything all in one. It does volume, length, curl, separation. So super excited for this. They say it's a 4-in-1 mascara because it does everything. So I actually love this mascara. Tarte, actually, believe it or not, is a really good brand. A lot of people sleep on Tarte, but this stuff is actually really, really nice. Most stores don't sell their lipsticks. I don't see their lipsticks in Ulta's. I don't think Macy's has their lipsticks. I'm not sure if Sephora carries their lipsticks, but I know Ulta doesn't have it, definitely. And I know, Macy's carries like Macy's carries Tarte, but I've never seen this lipstick there. Alrighty, so the next thing I got is this beautiful brush. I got a brush the last time too. I want to say, I don't remember. It was a while ago I did my last custom kit from Tarte. Let's see here. This brush is so pretty. Look at this brush, guys. All my veterans to my channel know I love pink, so of course I had to get a pink brush that's chromed out. This brush is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this brush. Look at this bad boy right here. It says Tarte and it's pink. My favorite color, so had to get this. It feels very soft, so can't wait to use this brush. This brush probably was like $40 right off the bat. So, you definitely got your bang for your buck for this. The foundation probably was like close to $40 as well. So these two things alone paid for like the box. Like look at all the stuff I'm getting for only $63. Look at this. Look at this, guys. It's supposed to be 7 items. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then my 7th item was this beautiful Tarte makeup bag. Let's take a look at this bag. So this is like a rose goldish kind of pinky color. I love the color of this bag. So you know I had to get it because it's pinky. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. It's purple on the inside, but I love it. It has a little tassel going on. Loves it. And then they gave you some samples of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipsticks. You got to pick like a sample. Like I think they had like concealer. They had of the Shape Tape concealer, but they had no darker shades. It was like all like light, medium. And I'm like, what about me? Like, what about my skin tone sample foundation sales? They only had like lighter shades. So I opted out of that. And I got this is instead. So these are the three colors that we have on the card. We have Beach Babe, Salt Life, and Sea Goddess. The colors of what I have is called Cha Cha and Ocean Drive. So at least I get to try other colors because these are not the colors that I have already. So I want to say this is a great deal, which is why I did this again. I didn't do the last time because, like I said, I had a bad taste in my mouth that they didn't give me my lipstick. And lucky thing I realized, because after I unboxed everything, I was like, I feel like I'm missing something. So I went back onto the website and I saw that I didn't get my lipstick. And I also, when I unboxed this, there was no paper that says like what you're supposed to get in the box. So it's easy to forget if you're missing something. So, I mean, they did right by me by giving me a replacement lipstick, but it's funny, like literally, like I reached out to them right away and they're like, oh, sorry, we sold out of this color. So we can't give you this color as a replacement. You pick something else. And I'm like, well, I mean, it is a pretty color, so maybe this just goes first because it's prettier than this one, that's for sure. But I'm very happy I participated again. I decided to participate because I didn't know I was going to love their foundation. This lipstick formula is very nice. It's like creamy, not too matte. It's long lasting. I mean, I love the brush. I love the brow pomade. I love the concealer. And I love their mascara. So I'm very happy. And when can you get 7 items for $63 makeup wise? Like, practically never. So whenever they have these deals, I do recommend getting the custom kit. I will give my custom kit a 9 out of 10. Just because like I should give it a 10 out of 10, but you know, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10 seems fair enough. I'll give them 9 out of 10 just because the last time they tried to play me, and they did because they didn't give me my lipstick. So we'll give them a 9 out of 10. Good job, Tarte. I'm so happy I decided to get this box. If you guys loved my unboxing for the Tarte custom box for the month of November, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you like my video, you like my content, then please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and becoming a part of my YouTube family. Alright guys, so this concludes the ending of my video. I hope you love the changing of scenery and me in my beauty room for a little change. If you guys don't like it, then I can go back to my other room that I film in, but I just figure I switch it up for you guys a little bit. And that's really about it. I have a couple of boxes that I have to do for you guys. I'm trying to figure out, I have an advent calendar that I want to do for you guys. I got the Makeup Revolution Advent Calendar here. Or should I do my Medusa makeup box? Which one should I do next? Because I'm going to film it right after. I guess I'll do the Medusa one. And then I'll do my Advent Calendar next. I'll just try to like keep switching it up for you guys, so it's not always the same thing. Alrighty guys, so that concludes the ending of my video. Love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing. Bye!